A senior official in Zanu PF, Secretary General's office, says circulars sent to party leaders, structures, and members of that office take precedence over those from departments unless overturned by higher authorities at the presidium level. Saravena mashoko arikubuda panguva ino kuri kunzi chaos panguva ino aiwa it is working in the ruling party Zanu PF. But tiri kuona the news box iri kuexplain pamusoro pema-circulars ari kuonekwa kunzi pane ma2 colliding circulars akaissuwa in the ruling party Zanu PF. Sara mina mashoko mudanyiko pana avanobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mina mudanyiko mushinzi. The official was explaining why Zanu PF Legal Affairs Secretary Patrick CHAMISA's 30 June circular on clarification of the party's co-option process cannot override the initial one sent by Party Secretary General Obet Mpofu on the issue on 5 June. Mpofu first sent his circular, which effectively bars local tycoon KUTYA from getting into the 342-member decision-making Central Committee in between Congress on 5 June. Then the 30 June CHAMISA purported to withdraw it and replaced it through his own communication. The official said only Mpofu, who is a senior to CHAMISA, is the hierarchy or a pecking order, could withdraw and replace the circular, not his junior, unless by mutual agreement. But even then, the official continued that would also be unlawful and unprocedural, as the Secretary General, who used to be called Secretary for Administration before that, was changed to what it initially was when the party was formed, is the one who administers the party and hence the relevant authority, not the Legal Affairs Secretary, who is only in charge of his department, in which one among many. The official explained to the news house the Secretary General is office of higher than that of the Legal Affairs Department, as it comes just below the Presidium, that is the President, 2 deputies and the Chairperson, and administers the whole party. So a circular issued by the Secretary General's office cannot be withdrawn by a head of department who is junior. The chain of command and responsibilities in Zanu PF is clearly stated in the party's constitution, procedures, and workflows. In terms of the party hierarchy, CHAMISA is junior to Mpofu, so he cannot withdraw his circulars or any communication. That is the first point in this specific case. The second one is that, in terms of the procedure and protocol given the above, that circular would only have been withdrawn by the office of origin and its relevant officials, not a head of department, unless of it was the Presidium. So in terms of the constitution, procedure and protocol and practice, and even common sense, what is invalid now and void is CHAMISA's circular dated 30 June, not Mpofu's dated 5 June, one which takes precedence. Thirdly, you can't withdraw a letter or a circular not coming from you. Mpofu's circular has been withdrawn by him as a sender and relevant authority. Do mashwarutsa nanguro panguva ino aiwane this official to the news hawks. Panguva ino achiwa dismissa aiwa ma-circulars ana CHAMISA achiti aiwa ma-circulars ampofu ndo panguva ino anouya achitorwa anofana kutorwa nevanhu by precedence. Inagoma section medu mutize mafungiro enyu kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi nechaos yoitika mubato reZanu PF. Our succession battle our continues. Tudze mafungiro enyu kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.